le class masala makhan alcohol classification and nomenclature consider to untuk machuan alcohol preparation consider doni le alcohol preparation ama sabera chuan alcohol like hello okay nanti bokatang ha kan prepare ma alcohol halide eta hian chloroethane emo ethyl chloride nanti ka example kala hello okay hi liquid ani chuan he liquid hi potassium hydroxide emo solid sodium hydroxide in ka ri dona ai react he amor chu a react chung he rate hila liquid ani solid ani he asokal chung kham ngai ve ni chuan a reaction chakjok tu chuan he solid hi solution a kalu siam ka kalu ki pi lo ngai ni chuan tui che khana react fast dona solution siam tu chuan solvent ka mo solvent a chini ka ma phei pakhana chuan water ka lom ta water ka chuan aqueous solution lo nia la aqueous potassium hydroxide lo nia la water ho win alcohol ka ho ni chuan alcoholic sodium hydroxide alo to chuan ka sei he chu plus ka a ka sir to wa aqueous condition a chuan nucleophile generate kan ti ka potassium hydroxide hi K plus OH minus in siya he OH minus hi nucleophile amar chu alcoholic condition a chu solvent a ethanol kan man chia kha nucleophile ni loin base a generate ani Bronsted concept ba chuan negative charge ne mo lone pair of electron ne proton H plus except he ka base ni dia to na minus ani ya alcohol ta hian he oxygen negative charge hian he ta hydrogen ka target to hydrogen remove dona remove chuan he ta chuan elimination reaction theng dona em hydrogen ne halogen in na alpha beta elimination na theng dona ti kha le tuna alcohol preparation ka zero so he dilaya nucleophile in generate na khani nucleophile a hian chiti aung thia pakha chu nucleophilic addition ani pakha chu nucleophilic substitution ani chuan addition hi unsaturated double bond kan ti te triple bond ate addition hi thleng thia saturated heng single bond addition thleng thei he nucleophile ania he alkyl halide double bond lo silam chuan nucleophilic addition thleng amar chu single bond saturated ani wa addition thleng thei wa chuan nucleophilic substitution reaction thena ngai heta lam chiang sa chu OH minus nucleophile ni he a substitute a replace ang chu Cl minus d ka he chloride ion ka ngati ngai di chuan he strong single covalent bond ni single bond ni strong ani ko hi a strong bond ma se strong bond ve kha stronger a maya he stronger ani acha chu heavy bond siam tu chu carbon atom le carbon atom heavy bond siam tu chu carbon atom le chlorine in a bond siam is stronger in a bond weak bond formation between two similar atoms are much more stronger than between two single hey strong bond and a weak bond again a break amai ni part oxide mo sunlight om lo chu chu a bond break ga ko hydrolytic fission ani ngai to na hian sunlight mo part oxide om ni chu homolytic fission ni ga positive electron ani kha carbon atom hian pakhat changa hian pakhat changa radical method in procedure kan ti thik ani amar chu sunlight mo part oxide om lo ga hydrolytic fission ni ga a positive electron chu carbon here emo chlorine here changdona a changso puro chu electron ko chakso a more electron ki so khani chlorine a more electron ki va chlorine here chuan he kal che kha CH3 CH2 plus lo niama chuan in chloride ion achu so he delaya nucleophile kan ti hydroxyl ion kha eta always O minus yan carbon eta C plus kalo and take another CH3 CH2 OH plus potassium chloride to lo ha chu le kha product ani ta example la pala N propyl chloride 1 chloropropane ni ko kai aqueous condition nucleophile as a rotate kan ti kha NaOH to Na plus ne OH minus ini CMama chuanin hei nucleophile ania hei nucleophile substitute to replace to so bola bond pathum si ka sia kama bond sagara hi between carbon and carbon atom inangina siama bond patina hi carbon and carbon inangina siama bond pathum na hi carbon and chlorine hei hi weakest bond ni hei ai chuan hem pani strama hi weak bera chuan weak bond a break to na chuan bond sin te lo pani khan chlorine khan ti khan chang do la CH3 CH2 CH2 he ta tu plus ni ha chloride and so on. Ahami at sika heta nucleophile OH minus na halo effective mo chuan. Heta CH2 plus OH minus halo electron. N propyl alcohol 1 propanol CL2. Hey, a product di kanila. At sumso ki adik siya. Ngati at sumso ki adik ang sumso ki adik lo. Also about organic chemistry, some basic principles and techniques also about is it right or how we want it. So organic chemistry here to also about it here to let hey as one mechanism to proceed leaving up to nucleophile so step carbon cation plate so I incoming group nucleophile loop to the hey, at Suzuki, it high alcohol, ethanol, it addicted and so. As that a living nucleophile at what Chiakan, carbocation crater, plus the 2C and Sidan cyanide, Hatsoni, primary carbocation. Primary carbocation aya get more stable, let's move to secondary. Secondary carbocation aya stable, get to tertiary. Primary carbocation is stable. As I stable, as you know, secondary I stable, so tertiary. So the assume to a nearby, adjacent here. A bulci, head at one bulci, Patoni. Hydrogen Patumova, hydrogen atom, Patumzina Pahadahi, hydride iron, not so high. Hydrogen iron H plus in the wind, hydride iron H minus. As at what C plus $100. Hydrogen iron H plus at what C minus carbon iron plus the plus in combined so hydride iron H minus H minus so heta root CH3 H minus hydride iron so C plus carbon plus the 2C here C primary hey primary drama I stable do primary through here chung so chung secondary asiam helwa heti ba kan hotel ke ni heta hydroxyl ion ina alo attack to kan hi chu dit khap ta a so ba plus the 2C khan C pa khata lia hey primary na ka ta dia chuan a stable so ba chung so secondary dia chung tertiary ka sei ko就点样先读出啊nearby，就是啊，不接触黑个嘛，黑的黑 H 本身呢，还是都老公老是啦，阿拉点样 migrate 呀，阿妈说还是都我做啊接受啊 small group will migrate，呢，还是都把这些那把它做 hydride ion H minus 呢做嘛，但是路的嘛，做那大样 H 把它做运动嘛 ，H minus 嘛做多方面，这大样 plus 嘛把它给带了，做 H minus hydride ion做做但是路的嘛。Ikan Indonesia. Plus itu sifat C pak ni dia. Coba second kita. Itu a stable a more stable. Voi kata so he dia ni siap tukang. Juan itu ever stable ever I stable form akan rearrange door dia. Juan dia stable form akan doa. Kata dia cakap oh minus kan kian lo itu mah. Asu propal lo true propanol kan. One propanol ni NCM lo top ni lo NCM betul amar so amino product zazela so ma item te NCM hei zazela 50% item te NCM a major product ni lekha ka alcohol pressure number 1 alo ni ta alcohol pressure number 2 chuan aldehyde ketone changin aldehyde 2 RCH nia and ketone 2 RC tuna hian aldehyde ketone changin alcohol asiam dona asiam dan tu ko alam lenga hian alcohol chuan function group OH ani ti kan thia alcohol aldehyde hian carbon group COO ni ketone ko carbon group COO ni ya alcohol ka siya don alcohol chuan OH ni nga ya chuan heta O bula H ka belangai heta O bula H ka belangai addition of hydrogen ani ya chu reduction ani addition of hydrogen chu reduction ani ya aldehyde ketone te ka reduce chuan alcohol siya don le ya reduction ya aldehyde ketone ta alcohol siya chuan reduction ka carry out ngai ti na ya chuan reduction thing tu chuan enge umai reducing agent of body oxidizing agent chuan oxidation thingam reducing agent chuan reduction thing dona aldehyde ketone ta alcohol siya chuan reduction ka carry out ngai ti kan thia alcohol OH ni ngaya hetan H ka bel ngaya dan H ka bel ngaya addition of H so reduction ni chuan reducing agent tam tak kan dia catalytic hydrogenation kan dia chu hydrogen in the presence of heta here catalyst here nickel mo platinum mo palladium among here tin lithium aluminum hydride kan ya sodium borohydride kan ni boka diborate kan ni boka ni hengo reducing agent ni hengo umhona reduction reduction to addition of H2 kan ti doka le aldehyde hian he alcohol ko pahin methyl CH3 kalama acetaldehyde ethanol kan ti ha ania ha chuan ketone alcohol ko pahin methyl de kalama hian symmetrical ketone turin dimethyl ketone acetone propanol ti de podia chuan reducing agent kapang dona tek azia kan is he ka bang sodium borohydride ko bang thia lithium aluminum hydride ka bang dula sodium borohydride ko bang thia alian he alian sodium borohydride bang ka tunga catalytic hydrogenation kan kita koi ka bang thua hydrogen in the presence of hydrogen in the presence of platinum to bang reducing agent kan ni chuan reduction chu addition of H2 hydrogen molecule kan dia khoi addition of thei chira kan sei duwa addition thei na chu double bond unsaturated ta ni single bond wa addition thei lo double bond a hian addition thei ya double bond ai tu O wale C kan H pakhat ve ve do tin ani chu ti chuan CH3 ni ha C hian H pakhat ani sa addition reduction action dora H particle le che kan H2 lo diama chuan double bond ka single bond carbon group hydrogen group siam dona O kan H bel ko ma tikhan ale siama OH som to carbon to chuan carbon to pakhat ne reduction of aldehyde produce primary alcohol le ketone kan ne ya reducing agent ani event time reduction action dora reduction of the so addition of H2 hydrogen to particle beto so addition of the unsaturated double bond here heta double bond itu O ada C kan H particle ke chuan H particle di donga achunga kan O bulan H umukma CH3 OH so to carbon to carbon to dong secondary alcohol reduction of ketone produce secondary alcohol dikha dia le he aldehyde ketone to hian alcohol siap tidak ham sedang umani tuna ka siap tidak chu reducing agent hian reduction ka carry out alcohol siapa Grignard reaction hama siap ini ko kani Grignard reaction kan di chuan RMGX di China kata R alcohol ko bagian define CH3 ka mga magnesium to magnesium ni me ya X halogen ion bromine ka hong ani chuan chlorine ka hong ani le methyl magnesium chloride ni me bromine ka hong ani chuan methyl magnesium bromide ani chuan ni ka he tur chu Grignard reaction ka nucleophile in chen thi hetila alkyl group le magnesium te ka bond break ma magnesium ni S block ma group number 2 alkyl orbital ani high electropositive ani chuan bond break ka heterodyne break ma alkyl group bond set electron ka hi local ma magnesium plus H he methyl carbon ion ka CH3 na minus ani dia he nucleophile ka hi sunita John aldehyde ne ka react dora hey aldehyde ne hi ketone ni aldehyde reacts with Grignard reaction actual methyl magnesium bromide ka panga so ito ha nucleophile is right a bond break a nucleophile chila ha nucleophile chu cha ne duwa saturated single bond wa ha nucleophile react bond ni chu single bond addition of zero nucleophilic substitute sort ni mai ngia to na chuan double bond to carbon group to nucleophilic addition atin be to to na chuan hen carbon group ho hi carbon double bond ni alkene te po carbon group te po hi ya double bond no chu electromagnetic effect temporary effect dia also conservation kani to na nucleophile minus ne mo electrophile plus ne mo mero se carbon group adaman the ke lo na amar chu nucleophile te mo electrophile kami outside attacking reaction object ka minus in a attack tool plus nucleophilic center automatically break on it here so strong sigma bond ya double bond pakha strong sigma bond ni lai pa chu weak pi bond break on khola nge ba sim tilo ro ni ka ti chuan carbon tom le oxygen compare carbon atom oxygen kha amor electronegative electron ko chu oxygen ma ti na hena kal che kha C le o ti ka single bond lo wa o han minus o wa C han plus lo to ni kada C na plus ai che kha he ga lo te let's see CH3 na ka na CH3 nya hemisian H pakata ni sa chuan C ha plus lo ni che do ra he te lo do ra CH3 ka sia ka CH pakata ni ya chuan C plus ka ko ta ra ka eta CH3 ka na ko te ka o ha me na so chuan ni Grignard reaction is react here acid hydrolyze in the follow chain hydrolyze reaction with water in ionized to H plus and OH minus here eta O minus and H plus ka attack niya ma ikhan OH something ka to pa ni secondary of C ni Grignard reaction reacts with aldehyde to form secondary alcohol le ketone Grignard reaction ka react diam methyl magnesium bromide thu ko ma methyl group le magnesium ne carbon break ma electropositive dia plus dia dan nucleophile minus ne so outside attacking reaction pa on chia ta hi ta dia nucleophile attack na to nucleophilic center to taking break do la carbon break to is it na ta carbon ion oxygen ka amor electronegative electron ko na so ani hete kal che ba CH3 C heta C kan plus dia so C plus che ka nucleophilic center hemi CH3 minus na lo detect to so dita so din chon hemi C hian CH3 pa ni sa along to na CH3 pa thuma ni do ti la ni so hemi C hian CH3 pa ni sa along to na pa thuma ni la chuan in oxygen he maina sa oma acid hydrolyze ni follow le ma H3O plus water ionized dan so H plus OH minus ania H plus effect nga OH zone 2 carbon na katumania tertiary alcohol ni Grignard reaction reacts with ketone form tertiary alcohol le pakanakan niya carbon group niya carbon group carbonyl hydrogen. When hydrogen atom is attached to carbonyl carbon, hey aldehyde. Aldehyde apo formaldehyde. Simple perkala. Hey formaldehyde. Formaldehyde he 40%, latay 60% naman so 8% alcohol and 52% water and mix kan formalin ke calcium ya. Le hey formaldehyde ni. Formaldehyde with X with Grignard reagent methyl magnesium bromide. Carbonyl group akan double bond akan addition reaction akan dona nucleophilic addition akan don nanti ha. Eta dia minus dengan dan plus dia. Kita tambah. So eta C minus nucleophile kan nucleophilic sector C plus dia betek nga CH3 na him kasi ato na CH3 nga aso matu eta CH pati ni tourism CH3 nga aso matu CH pati ni tu in C kan O minus na yan O minus so in hydrolyze din nga acid hydrolyze din nga water hydrolyze na so H plus O minus niya H plus pati nga CH3 CH2 H primary alcohol CH3 Grignard reagent reacts with formaldehyde to form primary alcohol. Grignard reagent reacts with all aldehydes except formaldehyde. Formaldehyde below aldehyde chemical reaction second alcohol CH2 na or so Grignard reagent like ketone reaction tertiary alcohol CH2. Then how proportion number patnina lo ni sila proportion number 3 kan liya. Proportion number 3 is one from carboxylic acid. Acid tanaman ina nga acid as one functional group COOH. COOH niya. Heta diyan alcohol at functional group OH niya. Ito yung hindi. Heta C double bond carbon group yung sila alcohol so may ito na. Hemi ang mono tuwa double bond OI niya H o ngaya. Oxygen ang hydrogen na replacing ang ngaya. So hydrogen involved reduction din na ni. Then hemi so entire double bond OI and H sila. Hydrogen replacement, addition of hydrogen reduction body. So alcohol is here to carboxylic acid ahead. I-reduce ang ay reduction to i-carry out ang ay. Okay. Alcohol pa yan, methyl pa lang pumunema, acetic acid, ay bisa naman so ethanoic acid na dihalot ko pa. Mungkin akan reducing acid distance, yan akan tilaya catalytic hydrogenation nanti ang kailan hydrogen in the presence of nuclear pamaman. Hey, reducing agent na di gawin kaya reduction yung reducing agent reduces other compound. Hey, reduce ona kaya reduction yung gawin ni. Reduction nanti is one addition of H2 working ka. Kaya addition of H2 double bond itu aja. Kita yang addition of H pa kadali na. So din is one CH3 yang C akan H alo lowa tira chuan ibel C akan CH lianga always ani sa dina chu carbon group aka double bond oxygen single bond lianga o akan H dina dikana ni C aka chuan pas sa mga answer ko ka carbon tom pakhatin alcoholic group OH group pa ni chuan unstable low mantia unstable low gawin unstable dia na score ba kala chuan unstable form ang indicated doon water molecules from doon water molecules doon po kasi ito 3 hydroxyl ion OH minus at swap po nga suanin carbon ion plus positive equator suanin H plus ito ni swap may na na o wala H din para bola ka double bond natin doon at sa carbon ka plus ano yan ito mamodin mo na di ba ang carbon sin doon doon suan CH3, C, yan H pakatan niya. Katsumahan double bond O niya. Alcohol, siya ito mga aldehyde siya. So ano na yan, reducing agent ni dali nga. Reduction i-carry out niya nga. Reduction, so addition of H2 kan niya. Addition double bond at triple bond at kan niya double bond ito O hali. Siya kan H ibel, so CH3. H na isa, baka ibel nensuan H pa nilong niya nga. So, double bond, single bond, carbon group, hydrogen group ay siyang doon. Double bond, single bond ay siyang nga, O bola H ibel suan. Alcohol, siyang siya eh. carboxylic acid le alcohol siam tur chuan step thum inang catalytic hydrolysis ang chuan lithium aluminium hydride kan ti hi strong reducing agent ani then reducing agent dang kan ni ko kan china kan silanga sodium borohydride he lithium aluminium hydride ka ti sodium borohydride hi reducing agent ve ni basi dang tam tak ani strong reducing agent dia weak ani awi ka bangin functional group so reduce here lo sodium borohydride chuan aldehyde reduce thema ketone reduce thema acyl chloride reduce thema thil dang reduce clear lo amar chu lithium hydride chu strong reducing agent ni bangin functional group dang so aldehyde te ketone te ba carboxylic acid te amide te acyl halide te nitric compound te carbon double bond te kha reduce te thuli hi chuan le chuan hi strong reducing agent ni bangin hei kan sin se mai ta as lithium aluminum hydride is a strong reducing agent it will reduce hemi carboxylic acid amide b ka acid chu RCOO is dia amide chu RCO and H2 ni he acid amide case bi ka chuan lithium aluminum hydride hian carbonyl group hi hydrocarbon na directly reduce double bond O ni china kha hydrocarbon na directly reduce chito here chuan CH2 lo ni nga RCH2OH eta bo CH2 lo ni nga RCH2 NH2 acid ni china alcohol asiam nga amide ni china amide asiam do ni amar chu acid alcohol ni lo functional group da chuan ni chuan lo reduction addition of H2 of kha kal le jena point number 2 ka den thua lithium aluminum hydride kha aldehyde ko ketone reduce ka kha addition of H2 kha kal amar so in case of acid and amide ni chuan carbonyl group is directly reduced to hydrocarbon HCl le tu na ko hian carboxylic acid ne he carbonyl group kha hydrocarbon na direct HCl he tilaya acetic acid ma ethyl alcohol siam to step to man like head as a step of ACL astron le dikhan preparation pakhat le kan en le point number 4 chuan from ester to RCOOR lia he alcohol pahian methyl ka homa COO he alcohol pahian methyl ka homa thik ka homa ani chuan methyl acetate methyl ethanoid ani anga ethyl group in alo ko hom le donga ethyl acetate ethyl ethanoid ani es ani carboxylic acid derivative if ani carboxylic acid derivative re chu carbonyl group to ta hian bond break next to carbonyl group ta hian hydrolytic fission break anga bond siam to electron kha carbon ni oxygen to hin chato carbon atom oxygen amol electron kifa hian chang le ni minus ni plus so ani ester ma alcohol siam tur chuan tuin ni re maya so hydrolysis of ester kan ti kan mera hydrolysis of ester water ionized to H plus le OH minus dia hetilaya OH minus na pag nucleophile dia heta carbocation lo lu tama CH3CO heta C kala bete ka bang OH no dia ma chuan hetilai hydrogen ion kan ti proton kan ti chim lo kha o la phe pa la CH3CH2OH hydrolysis of ester chuan alcohol siamani tin ester na hian alcohol siamani thil na mani boka reducing agent ka mani asiam ti boka ester hi ethyl acetate thohi kalanga chuanin reducing agent a chuan lithium aluminum hydride ka homa heta ka se tu chu ester reduce reduce chuan alcohol molecule potassium dona chu alcohol molecule te chu ai angin en amlo thei chu bi di en angin ko amlo ko clear tu chu hetilai compound ani vein ka carbon to pathioma dinga ka carbon to pathioma ethanol carbon alcohol molecule ham che siam don methyl acetate kala ni chuan velu ka ko pati ding ba khat ethanol ko pati ko le methanol ko alcohol molecule in amlo pati sian don to la chuan pati umna chu ethanol ko pati ya umna chu ethanol ko pati ale khati song ma tu tu ta na kan ta se le chu ni ta se la khi tu song song pen in ho kui nge ko bi se lo he